All you need to know about breeding Betta or Siamese fighting fish. The male and female fish cannot live in the same tank. The male is very aggressive and will kill the female. To breed these fish, the female is kept in a partition in the tank until both fish are ready to breed. The female is in a partition in the tank. The male is flaring and building a nest. The nest has been built and the female has been released. The male is aggressive and can kill the female if she is not receptive. The white tube on the female's belly is the ovipositor. It releases the eggs. The first eggs are laid. Both fish will pick up the eggs and leave them in the nest. Egg laying continues for a few hours. After all the eggs have been laid, the female must be removed, as she might eat the eggs. The male will take care of the eggs and the nest. "36 hours later, the eggs will hatch. The fry are in a vertical position while they feed off their yolk sac. The male will continue to care for the nest and place the fry in the nest. Three days later, the fry will be swimming horizontally and the nest is gone. The male must now be removed. Most of the fry are swimming freely. The male will now be moved back into his tank. The babies can now be fed baby fish food for egg layers or brine shrimp. The water level must now be dropped, as the babies prefer shallow water. Feed the fish twice a day and do partial water changes every 2 days. They grow fast. After a few weeks, the males will have to be kept individually, or they will kill each other. If you like the video, like and subscribe.